Hey guys, so for this video I wanted to share with you my simple nighttime cleaning routine. This is just what I do at night to make sure that my house is decent in the morning and not a complete disaster. I start off in the kitchen, cleaning up from dinner and loading the dishwasher. I pretty much never leave dishes in the sink and run the dishwasher every night unless I happen to be feeling sick or something like that, but in that case I would just ask Greg to do it for me. But in general, running the dishwasher every night and starting the day with clean dishes is a must for me.
Trying your best to hold on to what you believe in, what makes you strong. Mirrors are lying and pictures can be fake. I know you better than anyone else. Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy, they don't know a thing. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here.
I also like to clean the sink out at night after all day of it getting dirty. I actually like doing this. I don't know what it is. I think just watching it get all sudsy and then rinsing it away is just satisfying to me.
You're truly special, no matter what they say. When life is cruel, that's every night to me. I think of you, is that so hard to see? Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy, they don't know a thing. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here.
When it's almost the kids' bedtime, I'll start straightening up the living room, mostly just putting away the toys, and I'll have Chase help me. Sometimes Madison will help too, even though they aren't her toys.
One love, that's all you need to be everything you want to be. And all that love is standing right here.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was
The last thing that I do before I go to bed is just wipe down the toilet with some disinfectant wipes. Now that school has started again and the fall and winter germy season is going to kick in soon, I just never know when someone is going to wake up sick and puking in the middle of the night. And when that happens, I just want to make sure that the toilet is clean.
down in a crowd, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way.
That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Back to them days.